Hi and welcome to HYDROS. Today I'm going to show you how to add a magnetic door sensor using a 0 to 10 volt input port. You'll need the following: a HYDROS door reed switch and a HYDROS 0 to 10 volt quad cable. Both can be purchased at CoralVue.com. Using the HYDROS 0 to 10 volt quad cable, connect the GX12 end to the 0 to 10 volt in port on your HYDROS device. Connect the reed switch to one of the other 4 ends of the HYDROS quad cable. Remember the end color. You'll need that later in the video. When installing the door sensor, add the wired sensor to the cabinet itself and the magnet part to the door. Other magnets can interfere with the sensor, so allow at least 1 to 2 inches between the door magnets and the sensor magnets. From the status screen, tap on the 3 horizontal dots to the right of the inputs label. Select Add New Input. Tap on the plus symbol at the bottom right. Enter the name you wish to assign to your input and tap on Create. Under Type, select 0 to 10 volt input. Under 0 to 10 volt input mode, select Switch. Under 0 to 10 input port, select the input number that matches the end of the 0 to 10 volt quad cable color you connected previously. If you use the black end, select input 1. Brown is input 2, red is input 3, and orange is 0 to 10 volt input 4. Under voltage range, set this to 1 to 3 volts. Under data type, select close open value. Under open when, select outside range. Depending on the reed switch you've purchased, this might be different for you. If for some reason your door sensor triggers open when the magnets are together, then change this to inside range. Notification level. Since you've selected outside range on the previous setting, this allows you to tell the HYDROS what to do when the reading is outside the range. If you do not wish to get a notification when the door opens or closes, leave this field as none. Notify when. Set this to the opposite value as the open when option. It'll prompt a notification when the magnets are open or separate. However, if you want to trigger an alarm when the magnets are closed or together, set this to outside range, which is the same value as the open when option. After configuring the input, tap on the yellow bar at the bottom to upload your changes to the cloud and each HYDROS device. Make your way to the status screen. Take the door sensor and manually move the 2 sensors apart by opening the door. The controller should show the sensor as open on the status screen. Close the door to bring the sensors together, and the controller should update the input and show closed. If your sensor is showing differently, go back into the 0 to 10 volt input settings page and change the open when value.